Daily Mandarin for Beginners.
Hello everyone, welcome to Jay's Easy Art Daily Mandarin for Beginners series. Today I'm going to share with you 7 most useful and must-know Mandarin greeting. That is the greeting that you can use in your daily life and how do you speak in Mandarin. Let's get started.
So, these are the 7 daily greetings that we use in our daily life. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how are you? I'm fine, thank you, and good night. So, how are we going to speak this daily greeting in Mandarin? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so, good morning, Mr. Lee. In Mandarin, we'll say 早安，李先生。早安，李先生。Good morning，早安，Mr. Lee，李先生。Good morning, Jimmy. In Mandarin，早安，吉米。早安，吉米。Okay. Good morning，早安，Jimmy，吉米。Next, in the afternoon, we'll say Good afternoon, Peter. So in Mandarin, it is 午安，彼得。午安，彼得。Good afternoon, Charlie. In Mandarin, 午安，查理。午安，查理。Alright. How are you, Peter? In Mandarin, 你好吗，彼得？你好吗，彼得？ I'm fine, thank you. 我很好，谢谢。我很好，谢谢。Alright. At night, when we meet someone, we'll say Good evening, Peter in English. So in Mandarin, we'll say 晚上好，彼得。晚上好，彼得。Good evening, 美惠。晚上好，美惠。晚上好，美惠。If we are going to send a regards to our friend's parents, we'll say like this. How is your mother? Okay, in Mandarin, 你母亲好吗? One more time. 你母亲好吗? Okay, that's mean 你母亲就是 your mother, 好吗就是 how is your mother? Okay. So, how are we going to answer it? She's alright, thank you in English. So in Mandarin, 她很好，谢谢。她很好，谢谢。So 她很好 that means she's alright. 谢谢就是 thank you. Alright, let's continue. So when we are going to sleep or we are saying goodbye to someone at night, we'll say good night, 彼得. Okay, so in Mandarin is 晚安，彼得。晚安，彼得。Good night, Dad. 晚安，爸爸。晚安，爸爸。Okay, so do you notice that the 爸爸 the second sound of the 爸爸 will have a lighter sound 比较轻声一点爸爸 Alright. Okay, so now let's revise again the 7 most useful greeting that you can use in your daily life in Mandarin. The first one is good morning, 早安。多一次，早安。Second one, good afternoon, 午安。One more time, 午安。Good evening, 晚上好。Good evening, 晚上好。How are you? 你好吗？多一次，你好吗？ I'm fine, 我很好。I'm fine, 我很好。Thank you, 谢谢。Thank you, 谢谢。Okay, the last one is good night, 晚安。晚安。Good night, 晚安。Alright, guys, that's the 7 most useful and must know daily greeting that you use in your daily life in Mandarin. So I hope you enjoy my lesson and please stay tuned for the next lesson. See you!
Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for the next Mandarin lesson. Please subscribe to ZZ's Easy Art and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Bye! 再见!